Once again, welcome to Ambassador TV channel. Once again, it's another wonderful Tuesday morning, and on we are going live. Challenges will be coming, happiness will be coming. A lot of things happens in life, day in, day out. Today, somebody will be happy. Today, somebody will cry also as well. So life is on and off. So wherever we find ourselves, day in, day out, we have to do what? Accept it that way. And today, this morning, Ambassador TV channel is bringing you another wonderful cryptocurrency tips and cryptocurrency free mining app. And before we continue, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, share the video to others to also benefit, and moreover, leave your comment. Okay, we'll leave your comment, and then watch the video to an end, because Ambassador TV channel have a lot coming for you guys, and we are on going forward in life as well. And moreover, please, those of you who have the opportunity having these free mining apps and then free airdrops at the earlier stage of the crypto industry, please hold it in cryptocurrency. Those who hold are the billionaires. So hold it. Don't think you have entered into the crypto today and you want to be a billionaire today. It doesn't work that way, okay? It doesn't work that way. It is patient, okay? So anybody who calls you, who chats you and tells you, guys, Charlie, have an opportunity that can give you 10% daily, 20% daily, 40% daily. They are all scams in which they will start paying you for some weeks, for some months, and then shoom, away, nowhere to be found again. So relax, as Ambassador TV channel is going to guide you, help you, and then teach you whatever you want to know in crypto. Keep your comment coming, and moreover, subscribe to our WhatsApp or join our WhatsApp group, which the link will be leave in the description form, and then the Telegram group also, which the link will be leave in the description form. Unfortunately, in the Telegram group, you have not started anything yet, but in the WhatsApp group, a lot is ongoing there. So just join, and we have a discussion and more presentation there. So before I started, shout out to one of our cherished subscriber, Linkin. Thank you very much for your message yesterday. And this morning is about Kuku coin, okay? It's about Kuku coin, and it's a wonderful coin. So if you want to start, if you want to start mining Kuku coin, okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description column for you guys. I'll be leaving the link in the description column so that you guys also can also enjoy this Kuku coin, because this Kuku coin is about to be listed on exchange, and very soon withdrawal will take place, and it will be very great for you all guys who start mining this cryptocurrency, because a lot of coins are out there, genuine ones, like the TT coin, like the VN Smart, and like the Pi Network. Keep on mining all those free coins, and then the big coin, okay? They are all powerful coin on our channel, so you can visit our channel and then watch all those videos so that you can also benefit from such videos, okay? Which I think it will change our life in the near future. So this morning, quick one is about the Kuku coin, okay? The Kuku coin. So let's see how we can register and also start mining Kuku coin. Already I have started mining, so I'll log in. But as for you, I'll leave the link in the description column. So you click a link, you upload the app, and then you sign in, and then you also start mining. So when you want to, you just click on the start column, okay? So you fill in this section, okay? Just fill in this section, okay? Your name, and then your username you'll be using, the email address, and a password, okay? And a password. So either a reference code with a test. So I'll be leaving a reference code, okay? I will be leaving the reference code, which will be automatically placed here, okay, for you guys. So you just click on the register, you are done. So as for me, I'm already a member, so I'll go straight and click on the login button, okay? So I'll just fix in my email, okay? I'll just fix in my email and password. I'm done, okay? So I'm done, and then I'll just click on login, okay? I'll just click on login, okay? So login. And then here we go, okay? It will open, and then as you can see, I'm already mining Kuku coin. I already have 1,606 Kuku coin, okay? I've already have 1,606 Kuku coin. It's still counting, okay? So this coin I started mining some few months back now, okay? So I have a lot of coin in there. So you can read their roadmap, in which let's read later about the roadmap where they are heading towards to. Okay, when you want to know more about a coin, you must to read their roadmap. So Kuku official app release 2021, that is first quarter, and then mining started first quarter. Pack unlocked. So they are giving the mining, they are giving 1 million Kuku to be still. That is what we are mining. So it is limited. Okay, so Kuku coin will be very it will have a very huge and a high price. Okay, so let's all get into this serious app or serious Kuku coin and start mining very seriously. Okay, and then the fourth quarter, let's leave the second quarter, third quarter. Okay, let's go to the fourth quarter, in which more it will be listed on that exchange, that is the Series exchange. Okay, Kuku event and giveaway. Okay, they also be staking and the system operation. So that is the fourth quarter we have entering. Okay, so which these things will be happening within this month and the next month. So let's take serious of this Kuku coin. Okay, and mine it. Okay, so when you go to the withdrawal system also, you can transfer it, but it's not yet to be transferred. Okay, because it's not yet listed on the exchanges that we can transfer to. Okay, so that is it. So the minimum you can send out of the Kuku this mining app is what, 10 Kuku. Okay, 10 Kuku, and I think a withdrawal of Kuku will come out very soon, and then a lot. So this is a lovely app this morning. This app, Kuku is based on they are on a certain exchange, a certain network. A certain network. So I'll bring you all those updates. But start mining the Kuku coin, and then I'll give you more and details about this Kuku coin, which is very legit and powerful. So, guys, all what Ambassador TV want to give you is the genuine ones in town and the genuine businesses, the genuine apps, because not everybody will have money to buy this Kuku coin when it is out. So take this opportunity and then start mining Kuku coin for free, and definitely glory and mercy shall follow us in our daily lives, and we will enjoy, and then we'll be a super millionaire in the next 1 to 2 years to come. Just have that hope that Ambassador TV channel, we are going to help transform people's life from zero to hero. So we have a lot pumping up, a lot coming. So stay tuned to Ambassador TV channel, as we'll be out this morning for daily activity. We are out, and continue to enjoy your day and have a blessed day. Good day for now.